Running out of toner at the worst possible moment is frustrating. What if you could count on a replacement cartridge that delivers crisp, clear prints without breaking the bank? The LxTek toner cartridge replacement for Q2612A 12A promises just that: consistent, professional results every time you print. I recently switched to LxTek's 12A Q2612A toner cartridges for my HP LaserJet 1022, and the difference was clear right away. These cartridges come with an intelligent IC chip, ensuring smooth compatibility and flawless performance. The print quality is sharp and clean, perfect for everything from important documents to everyday use. Plus, with an estimated yield of up to 2,000 pages per cartridge, they last longer than I expected, even with occasional printing. What makes LxTek stand out is the value packed in each purchase. You get 2 black toner cartridges compatible with a wide range of HP LaserJet models, including 1010, 1015, 1012, 1018, 1020, and more. The quality control process behind these cartridges ensures you won't face streaks or smudges, just reliable output every time. If you're tired of overpriced OEM cartridges, this is worth a look. If you want dependable toner that won't disappoint when you need it most, LxTek's 12A Q2612A replacement cartridges are a smart choice. They combine affordability, quality, and compatibility in a way that makes sense for anyone who values both performance and savings. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your printing experience without the premium price tag.